You wake up, grab your phone, and before you know it, you've lost the first hour of your life, not because you're weak, but because your brain was designed to be distracted, and apps were designed to exploit that. Doom scrolling is not a habit, it's a trap. And every time you fall into it, you give away your focus, your energy, and your day. But you can break it, not with willpower, with a system. Here are 5 steps to take your attention back. Step 1, start your day without your phone. No checking, no scrolling, no messages in the first hour. Use that time to move, breathe, think, or write. Win the first hour, and you control the rest of the day. Step 2, create friction. Make it harder to scroll. Move distracting apps off your home screen. Log out after every use. Add extra passwords or barriers. If it's annoying, you'll think before you open it. That small irritation is freedom. Step 3, turn on grayscale mode. Remove color from your screen. No bright icons, no hypnotic colors. When your phone looks boring, it becomes less addictive. Your brain loses the dopamine trigger that keeps you stuck. Step 4, replace emptiness with purpose. Notice when boredom hits. That's the moment you usually scroll. Instead, read a page, learn something, work on a goal. Give your brain a reason to feel alive that isn't a screen. Step 5, plan tomorrow before sleep. Spend 5 minutes writing what you'll do tomorrow. One clear mission, one direction, no guesswork. When you wake up, you already have a reason to move. Less randomness, less scrolling, more control. These 5 steps are not about deleting apps. They're about redesigning your environment so discipline becomes easier and distraction becomes annoying. If you want extra support, use tools that block content and track habits. But the real power is in you. You don't need more motivation. You need a system you can trust. Start today. 1 hour without your phone. Create friction. Switch to grayscale. Fill your boredom with purpose. Plan tomorrow before sleep and watch your life change. Comment control if you're ready to stop scrolling and start building.